Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Beckford Plaza, and this is the number one plaza in Savlamar, Westmoreland. As you can see, it's a massive structure and it has everything that we need for a successful plaza according to our formula. It has a major supermarket, it has food stores, and it's built in a very populated area. Now, let's take a look. This plaza has the Shoppers Fair supermarket, and it's actually one of the bigger Shoppers Fair supermarkets. It has Juicy Patties as a food store, and it's built in Savlamar, which is a very large town and has a large population. So there you can see the Shoppers Fair supermarket, and you can just see how busy this plaza is. Maybe too busy, the traffic isn't moving. This plaza has a gym, it has a pharmacy, it has everything you need for a successful plaza. And this is the number one plaza in Savlamar. We're not going to hold up the video for that traffic here. So over here you see the Fontana Pharmacy. And then there's an entire block which is just stores. Around here is the back of the plaza. Okay, now we can't drive out there. Thought we could drive back around, but we're gonna have to reverse and go back. So we're gonna go back to the front of the plaza. Okay, around here is the delivery entrance for the supermarket. Alright, straight ahead is the Express Fitness location. There's a Payless, a Flow store, and Express Fitness is the gym, and they have a service where you can pay to use one gym and use all of the gyms they have in the island. So if you join the gym in, say, for example, Portmore, you can use the gym in Westmoreland, you can use all of the gyms. There's just one drawback. There are certain gyms that are like a premium service. So if you want to use those gyms, you have to pay a higher fee. Alright, there's a hardware store here at the front. Straight ahead is a cellular store and a rainforest seafood. We're just going to show you the juicy beef and then we head out. This juicy beef actually has a drive-through. Not sure if you can see it. It's on the left hand side. Okay, here we go. Straight ahead is a drive-through. Okay, so that's the Beckford Plaza in Westmoreland. And Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. They have locations all over the island. And I think Fontana is the largest pharmacy chain too, because they, maybe not the largest, but one of, because they have in Mandeville, they have in Montego Bay, they have in Kingston, and they have in Westmoreland. But there's another pharmacy chain that might have more locations, but they're located just in Kingston. Alright, it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea what the traffic is like. And then right in this section now is where all the taxis, you can see a lot of people over there. There are a lot of vendors and a lot of taxis parked in this area to pick up and drop off people. So that helps to bring traffic to the plaza. Alright, so we're going back out on the main road now. Straight ahead is the Jamaica National. We were just on Beckford Street, so that is where the plaza gets its name from. And we're now on Baroque Street. Now, on the left, where you see that bus, that's the bus park, or one of the bus parks. So this is a very busy area here, right here, especially at this hour when you have the persons leaving work and everybody trying to get on a bus to go where they're going. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.